feeling tired all the time, catching psoriasis, colds, flu, cough, and many more illnesses too easily. To a stronger immune system, no pills, no chemicals, just real natural power. What if I told you that your kitchen holds the secrets that actually work to supercharge your immunity 100% naturally? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal 5 proven home remedies. Hey everyone, welcome back to Natural Healing Hub, your hub for natural health and healing. Today, we're diving into something that everyone's searching for right now: how to naturally boost your immune system using home remedies that actually work. Stay tuned with us till the end. We've saved the most powerful remedy for last. A weak immune system means your body's infection-fighting cells, antibodies, and chemical messengers can't mount a normal defense. People notice it through frequent or severe infections, slow wound healing, and unusual lab results like low white blood cell counts or low immunoglobulin levels. Sometimes, this group of special cells, tissues, and organs doesn't act the way it should. People notice it through frequent or severe infections, slow wound healing, and unusual lab results like low white blood cell counts or low immunoglobulin levels. When your immune system is on point, it's a lifesaver. But as good as it may be, it's not perfect. Or if your immune system starts to attack your body instead of safeguarding it, you could have an autoimmune disorder like rheumatoid arthritis or type 1 diabetes. To figure out what's going on with your health, you'll want to see your doctor. Other autoimmune conditions include celiac disease, lupus, multiple sclerosis, psoriasis, and psoriatic arthritis. You may get a condition like allergies, asthma, or eczema. If it kicks into action too often, at least 80 illnesses are caused by immune system problems. They can all cause inflammation. But do you know the other warning signs? Keep in mind that these possible clues can happen for many other reasons. At Natural Healing Hub, we've handpicked 5 scientifically supported natural remedies that are trusted worldwide to boost your immunity, gently, effectively, and naturally. These powerful home remedies straight from nature to help your body heal, protect, and thrive. These 5 natural immunity boosters, you can start today, no hype, just real results from real remedies. Remedy number 1, ginger and turmeric tea. First up, the Golden Duo Ginger and Turmeric Tea. These roots are loaded with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Grate 1-inch fresh ginger and 1 teaspoon turmeric. Boil in 2 cups of water. Add a pinch of black pepper for absorption and boil until 1 cup remains. Strain it in a cup. Optional, add honey and lemon. Drink daily in the morning to reduce inflammation and improve immune response. Remedy number 2, raw honey and garlic. This might sound strange, but it's super powerful. Raw honey plus crushed garlic creates an antimicrobial shield against bacteria and viruses. Crush 2 garlic cloves. Let sit for 10 minutes to activate allicin. Mix with 1 teaspoon raw organic honey. Take it on an empty stomach for best results. It also helps with sore throat, congestion, and gut health. Remedy number 3, moringa powder. Moringa, known as the miracle tree, is packed with vitamin C, A, iron, and calcium. Add 1/2 teaspoon moringa powder to smoothies, warm water, or sprinkle over food. It supports cell repair, reduces fatigue, and strengthens immunity naturally. Remedy number 4, deep breathing and morning sunlight. Sometimes the best remedies are free and simple. Step into early sunlight for vitamin D, essential for immune defense. For 10 minutes to reduce cortisol, stress hormone, and support immune function. Pair it with deep breathing. Remedy number 5, immune booster smoothie. let's end with a delicious and powerful recipe. For preparation of the Immune Booster Smoothie, you need 1 cup spinach, 1 orange, 1/2 cup berries like blueberries or strawberries, 1/2 banana, 1 teaspoon flaxseed, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Blend with water or almond milk. Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, and healthy fats fuel your immune cells daily. And there you have it, 5 powerful natural ways to strengthen your immunity starting today. Which remedy will you try first? Let me know in the comments and share it with someone who needs to boost their immunity too. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to our channel, stay strong, stay healthy. See you in the next one.